In this video, I'm going to show you to replace the back cover on your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a back cover, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, you'll need access to the back of the refrigerator. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver or a flat blade screwdriver, remove the 9 screws on the back cover. Now, slide the power cord out of the retainer slot. Next, pull the back cover away from the fridge. Be careful as the water line is routed through a groove on the bottom right corner. When shopping for a new back cover, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install the back cover, first insert the power cord into the retainer slot. Then, route the water line through the back cover. Now, align the cover and reinstall the screws. Make sure to install the screw through the waterline retainer. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you like fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.